A murderous fellow survivor kept Glinski from revealing the truth. Only half of the escapees survived the 11-month journey. Only half of the escapees survived the 11-month journey. The journey was incredibly treacherous. The group walked 4,000 miles to India. The group walked 4,000 miles to India. A blizzard provided the cover needed for escape. Whoever it was that escaped, be it Glinski or some other Gulag prisoner, the escape itself was remarkable. Glinski recounted tunneling under the wire during a terrific blizzard, one which rendered guards completely unwilling to even poke their heads out of their doors. After he reached the other side of the wire, he saw that 6 men had followed behind him. He told the mirror, "They came out of nowhere, like cockroaches in a bakery." Witold Glinski may have been the man who made the actual walk. As improbable as the story of the long walk is, it's possible it was achieved, just not by Rawicz. When director Peter Weir was doing research for his 2010 movie The Way Back, he found so many discrepancies in Rawicz's story, he was hesitant to even make the movie. However, further investigation led him to Witold Glinski, the man who claims he actually did take the famous walk. In 2009, Glinski came forward with his story. Glinski believes Rawicz found his story in documents housed in the Polish embassy in London. Glinski, similar to Rawicz, has almost no evidence to corroborate his supposed escape journey. A former schoolmate has even said the two were at school together at the time of the escape. Both Glinski and Rawicz have passed away, so the truth remains a mystery. There is no evidence that Rawicz made the walk. The long walk is an incredible story. The only issue is that no one is sure if it's true. And even if it is true or partially true, we are not sure if Rawicz is telling his own story or if he just stole it from somebody else. The long walk involved escape from the Soviet Union to India. In 1955, Daily Mail reporter Roland Downing Ghost authored a book called The Long Walk. The book was based on a series of events put forth to be true by Slavomir Rawicz, the man who supposedly took the brutally long walk after which the book was named. Rawicz and Downing wrote about Rawicz's harrowing journey from the Soviet prison, the Siberian Gulag camp, to freedom in India starting in February of 1941. For a year, Rawicz and his companions trudged through blizzard, desert, mountains, and more to reach their destination.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.